Carvey is a new kind of 3D machine for making real objects out of real materials. We call it a 3D carver. Everyone has killer ideas. We've all seen things and thought, I can make that better, or higher quality, or I could just make it myself. We want you to be able to make it. That's why we created Carvey. We want you to be able to go from idea to finished product in under 5 minutes. So we broke it down into 3 easy steps. First, make your design. Design software can be hard to use, so we made Easel. It's easy to use, and it runs in your browser. The next step is to choose your material. Woods, plastics, soft metals like aluminum, even circuit boards. Pick whatever inspires you. The last step is, no matter what kind of maker you are, you click Carve, and it makes it.
Being able to design in a program and have that same program connect to the machine, just beyond amazing.
The steps involved has been cut down to near nothing. Now the idea is the focus.
We wanted it to be as beautiful as it is functional. So we reached out to Scott Wilson and his team of designers at Minimal.
People need to be able to jump in and use it and quit thinking about the tool so much and think about what they're trying to do.
Today, we finally have a prototype that we love. It's beautiful, it's quiet, it's clean, and it sits neatly on a desktop. But most importantly, it works great. When we started this Carvey project, we had 2 goals. The first was to make a machine that was quieter, cleaner, and far easier to use, and we've done that. The second was to bring the machine to the world at an affordable price, and that's why we've come to Kickstarter. With your help, we can order materials and components at scale and start the manufacturing process. So here's the thing. Your support for Carvey marks the start of something really special. It's a new kind of industrial revolution where people like me and you can dream, design, and manufacture the products that we've all imagined. What's your idea? What do you want to make? Join us and make your mark.